lot of my hobbies have to deal with working with my hands. Getting into cars was kind of a gradual process. I met Saul in high school and started messing around in his garage with him, and he kind of showed me the ins and the outs of cars and kind of helped me discover my passion. So ever since then, I've been itching to work on cars and do whatever I can to make a career out of this. The thing I enjoy fixing the most is something urgent, like if somebody comes in and they need something done, it's a Sunday and they're on the road trip, and we can bang it out with 2 or 3 guys, and we can save them and get them going back on their road trip. That's probably my favorite thing. When it comes to like a specific thing to work on, I like learning everything. I love the people. Everybody I work with is just great. They keep me coming to work every morning. I've never worked at a place that I can constantly feel like I need to be part of a team, and that if I'm not here, they feel it. Well, we offer a free diagnosis, so we can look over your car and make sure that there's nothing wrong without charging you, tell you what's wrong, and tell you what you need without, charging you out of your pocket with all the hidden fees and inspection fees that all these other places give you. My name's Smitty, and I love working at Autotek.